What's up, guys? Ego Complex Crypto Cauldron broadcasting to you on a holiday weekend from our undisclosed Florida headquarters. It is Saturday, July 3rd, 10:36 a.m. Eastern to be specific. Check out the video link description. There's the link to our Discord trading group. Come try it out. Try it out for the month. If you don't like it, no questions asked, full refund. No risk to you guys at all. Come see what an actual trading group is like. You're going to love it. Like the video, subscribe please, share it on social media, bring some TA to the world that nobody's talking about on YouTube. Quick Bitcoin update. I'm going to do a more in-depth Bitcoin video. I did an anatomy of a bear market, which was really well received yesterday. Check out that video if you haven't watched it yet. I went over briefly what my predictions are for Bitcoin on a macro level, a larger view, and then I went over some trading strategies as well, but people are requesting a more specific trading strategy video, how to trade Bitcoin in a bear market, and I'm going to release that. So check that out, guys. But let's get into this video. Interesting pattern forming here on the 4-hour, kind of a cup and handle pattern. You had a nice spike, little whale spike here. You can see price trending right along the Ichi cloud, right? So this is exactly how Ichi predicted it. Now, let me show you what my prediction is. I think price is going to do this. It's going to come up, maybe test the 35, not do a whole lot, and just trend along the cloud. As you can see, Ichi predicts the cloud, the price action here in the future. We're going to enter the cloud at some point, trend down, exit the cloud. It's an edge-to-edge Kumo trade, okay? Then we're going to be back in this consolidation chop around this green line, right? The point of confluence is this green line. That's my prediction. Now, part of that reason is for price to actually, I mean, this isn't very strong movements, but for price to actually come up, you got to defeat the 35 again, defeat the 200, defeat the 233, right? And then you're going to hit my Bitcoin death zone, which is now the Gandalf the White, you shall not pass zone. I'll get to that in a second. So we have price history here for roughly a month, right, going back to June 4th. So this is the volume for this past month at these levels. Okay, that's why I want you to see this. This is important. So part of the reason I said this won't happen, this rise that some people are predicting, okay, where have we tested this resistance before? The 35. Tested it right here. It's already circled for you, okay? We tested it there. We failed. We tested it here. We failed. We tested it here. We failed. We broke through it, got above the 35, got above the 200, and then ultimately failed. Basically a pattern failure. The head and shoulders triple Buddha. We fall down, retested it here, failed. So what's your confidence level of us defeating the 35? Mine's very minuscule. Now that doesn't mean you can't come above it, hit your head, roll back over, but this range, guys, is just not happening today, okay? You can have a cup and handle, you can put whatever pattern here you want. The market's not pushing this, okay? Part of the reason, again, stepping off of volume as you rise, stepping off of volume as you rise. So you can't even, we didn't even test a 233 last time. I went into all this in my 200 MA video and the Bitcoin Death Zone video. So check those out. I'm not going to rehash stuff. I do a lot of videos, a lot of TA. I don't want to repeat everything. Now this zone, Gandalf the White, this is not Gandalf the Gray. Okay, this is a superior level of Gandalf right here. This is Gandalf the White, you shall not pass. Why do I say that? Well, in the Bitcoin Death Zone video, I clearly point, if Bitcoin gets into this range, it has no hope. Because look at the volume. Guys, this is a month of price history volume. You're going to get to 75K Bitcoin here this way? Yeah, I don't see that. The Gandalf reference, for those of you not following, that's from Lord of the Rings, for my Lord of the Rings nerds, one of my favorite trilogy series as well as books that I read as a kid. But so you're not going to get a parabolic rise of Bitcoin. Doesn't matter the pattern when you don't have the volume to support it. Best case scenario, you could come up in this range. You're going to get rejected. You're going to roll. You can't support it. This is what we had with our swing high here. We only held this for 2 candles, guys. It was 8 hours, and then you're done. Okay, so I don't have a lot of faith in this cup and handle pattern that's forming. Like I said, this is my price line action here for today. I think we're going to trend above the green cloud or green Kumo cloud and then enter the cloud at some point and exit an edge-to-edge Kumo trade. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and like it, share it out. quick Bitcoin update video. We will be doing altcoin videos. We will be releasing more training videos. I'm also going to dissect some indicators for you, show you how I use them, show you the settings for them. All these videos are coming, guys. New operation. We really appreciate your support. And have a great holiday weekend. Spend it with your loved ones, your family, and friends. And look for the next video, guys. Talk soon.